How to post on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can post on Twitter or the X app. For this, you want to open the X app on your device, or if you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install it. Once you have opened the app, you first of all want to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, if you want to post something, then for that you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. A number of options will appear such as go live, spaces, photos and post. Tap on the post option. Here you can post text, videos or photos. If you want to post a text, go ahead and type in your text. If you want to add emojis or if you want to add photos, you can do that. For photos, you can tap on this image icon. Then select any photo from your gallery and tap on done. You can also use GIFs over here. If you want to add a poll, you can tap on this poll icon and add in a poll. You can also share your location. Simply tap on the enable option and add location to your post. You can also choose who can reply to your post by tapping on this option. Here you can select everyone, verified account, accounts you follow or only accounts you mention. Select your preferred audience, then tap on the post option. Once you do that, your post will be sent. And as you can see, this is how you can post on Twitter or X, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.